we're slipping right through. This is coming on strong too soon.